But there's now a fundamentally different approach: public blockchain infrastructure. Instead of companies owning or renting their own computing resources, applications can run on a global network of computers that already exists, is already maintained, and scales automatically without anyone needing to add more servers. This network processes transactions for fractions of pennies, whether you're serving 10 golf clubs or 10,000. This represents a complete paradigm shift in how software applications operate, and it's so different from everything we've experienced that it's genuinely difficult to understand at first. The natural question becomes, if this public infrastructure is so superior, why hasn't everyone been using it already? The answer lies in how blockchain technology became misunderstood and artificially constrained. For years, blockchain became associated primarily with get-rich-quick schemes rather than being recognized as infrastructure technology. Meanwhile, most blockchain networks were deliberately limited in their capacity, unable to handle the volume of transactions needed for real-world applications like tournament management. BSV blockchain changed this equation. Unlike other blockchain networks that maintain artificial constraints, BSV was designed to scale without limits, processing thousands of transactions per second at costs measured in fractions of cents. This makes it viable as genuine public server infrastructure for the first time. BSV Golf is proof of this concept in action. The entire platform runs on BSV blockchain, from tournament organization and live scoring to player coordination across multiple devices. Transaction costs remain minimal regardless of tournament size, and the system scales to accommodate any number of users without additional infrastructure investment. Even the content of this website is served by the BSV blockchain, demonstrating that traditional web hosting is no longer necessary when you have access to truly scalable public infrastructure. This represents more than just cost savings for golf clubs, it demonstrates a fundamental shift in how software applications can and should be built. BSV Golf proves that the expensive private server model is no longer the only option, opening the door for a new generation of applications that operate on public infrastructure rather than corporate-owned systems. Link, http://mybsfor.io/golf.html or http://busgolf.com.